Are you constantly tired, struggling with brain fog, or waking up at night even though you eat healthy and take supplements? The problem might not be what you're missing, but what kind of magnesium you're taking. Most people take the wrong type of magnesium, and it barely works. Worse, some forms can even cause bloating or diarrhea. Magnesium is a vital mineral involved in over 300 functions in your body. It regulates your nervous system, supports deep sleep, protects your heart, fuels your cells, and even balances your mood and hormones. But not all magnesium is the same. It always comes attached to another molecule. That partner determines whether it's absorbed well or just passes through your gut. In this video, we'll explore the 7 most important forms of magnesium, so you'll know exactly which one is right for your body. And at the end, I'll show you how to test for a hidden magnesium deficiency that many doctors miss. Let's start with the worst offender, magnesium oxide. You'll find this in most cheap supplements from supermarkets or drugstores. It's poorly absorbed, less than 10%, and can upset your stomach. It might help with constipation, but if you're looking to raise your magnesium levels, skip it. A slightly better option is magnesium citrate. It's bonded with citric acid and has better bioavailability, but it has a strong laxative effect. Great for occasional constipation, not ideal if you want better sleep or less anxiety. Next up, magnesium malate. This one is bound to malic acid, naturally found in apples. It supports your mitochondria and energy production, making it great if you're dealing with fatigue, low motivation, or muscle aches. Some people even report a mild, uplifting effect, so try taking it earlier in the day. Then there's magnesium L-Threonate. This is a brain-boosting form that can cross the blood-brain barrier. Studies suggest it may improve memory and focus, and even help with anxiety or mild depression. But there's a catch. It's more expensive, and your body excretes it faster. You'll need to take higher doses to see results. One of the most popular forms right now is magnesium glycinate, and its close cousin, bisglycinate. These are bound to the calming amino acid glycine. They're gentle on the stomach, help relax the nervous system, and don't cause diarrhea. Perfect for stress, anxiety, and sleep. Between the two, bisglycinate is slightly less likely to have a laxative effect. Another powerful but pricey form is magnesium orotate. It's attached to orotic acid, which helps with DNA repair and cell regeneration. Athletes and cardiologists sometimes recommend it to support heart health and muscle recovery. It works well, but be prepared to pay more for it. So, which magnesium should you take? Here's the truth. There's no one-size-fits-all. The best solution is often a blend, like a high-quality supplement that includes 3 or more of the most bioavailable forms, such as glycinate, malate, L-threonate, and orotate. That way, you cover brain, energy, muscles, gut, and sleep all in one. And before you ask, but my blood test said my magnesium was fine. Be careful. Standard serum magnesium tests only measure what's in the fluid part of your blood, but 99% of your magnesium lives inside your cells. Ask your doctor or functional medicine provider for a full blood magnesium test, or an RBC magnesium test. These give a much more accurate picture of your magnesium status. One last thing, if you're over 40, magnesium becomes even more important. Your body absorbs less, your stress levels are higher, and your risk of sleep problems or inflammation increases. So don't waste your money on the wrong kind. Now it's your turn. Have you tried any of these forms? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might be unknowingly taking the wrong kind of magnesium. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.